A couple years ago, we came to Kickstarter because we needed your help. We are happy to say thanks to the Kickstarter community, we successfully founded the Tech Deck, a unique and powerful data acquisition and control system. The Tech Deck is used in research around the world in places such as NASA and the ETH Zurich, but then the Tech Deck was only the first phase of our plans.
The tech deck is only a small piece of the 10-cube system, which has the real potential to allow us to switch from fossil fuels to a more abundant and useful source of power. Now, with the second phase on the horizon, we are going to need your help again with the approaching political climate efforts to mitigate climate change are looking more bleak than ever. Now, it's a time to act. 10-Cube builds modular for thermal energy systems that collect and store heat from the sun. We then use these to power modules for everything, from electricity production to water purification. Each of these modules can be added or removed. Depending on me, this system can be used to power anything from 113 of the cost of existing soil and 1/5 the cost of fossil fuels. We call this revolutionary new solar thermal energy system the Tafkin Nexus. This is the breakthrough the world's been waiting for, finally enabling us to cost-effectively utilize the abundant power of the sun, and we are starting with our water module. Nearly 1 billion people go without clean water each year. The average person needs 5 liters of water a day to survive, and because lack of access to clean water is the leading cause of death worldwide, contributing to a child mortality rate of 1,000 a day. Why?
Surface and groundwater are the most immediately available water source for the living communities. These sources include rivers, lakes, streams, and wells. They are plentiful. However, they often contain biological contaminants that lead to disease. Current methods of water purification, like filtration and chemical, are very costly and generally require reliable energy access. This infrastructure requirement means that traditional methods of water purification simply cannot work in the communities that need the most, until now.
The tank of Nexus uses heat from the sun. In order to filter and purify large quantities of water, a single panel system can sanitize up to 2,000 liters of water a day, without relying on any existing infrastructure. This autonomy makes the tank of Nexus unique. Communities with unreliable energy access and dire needs of fresh water can rely solely on the tank of Nexus. Our system have no special filters, require minimal maintenance, and are a permanent clean water solutions. With the help of a non-profit partner, we'll begin by bringing the tank of Nexus to communities with the highest child mortality rates, and eventually expand into large-scale boosted distillation infrastructure. Our first stop is Afghanistan.
Our immediate goal is full-scale production run of the Thankin Nexus solar power system with water sanitation module with the help of the ADA. This system will be installed in developing communities across Asia and Africa that desperately need access to clean water. We can go much further in the near future. We are already in talks with California Departments of Water Resources, World Health Organization and others about piloting the Thankin Nexus of all kinds of water filtration needs. Exposure you can generate with this Kickstarter will enable us to push through sustainable clean water projects around the world. We cannot make this goal a reality without your help. Our non-profit partners are kind of an implementation cost, but we need to scale up production to meet this challenge. Your contribution will be the deciding factor in ensuring the clean water access make it to those who need it most. We have done what we do to test. We have made the technology capable of tackling this immense challenge. Now, it takes your insistence on progress to move solutions to an ever-increasing clean water crisis forward. Let's work together to get this done. Now it's time to make clean water revolution a reality.